Voracity. Voracity is noun word which means extremely hunger of food, things, and activities. If we add O-U-S at end of word voracity, it will make a word voracious, which is an adjective. On the other hand, if we add ly to voracious, it sounds like voraciously, and it will an adverb. Anyway, first of all, if we split the word voracity into two parts like Vora and city. Vora is a person name who makes a game, so now the game name is called Vora. Whereas, city, you can imagine any city in your mind. You can remember the word like that. Vora wants play game just in those cities which have high building. Example of voracity. A man is voracious mountain climber, despite he has one leg. The child is eating chocolate voraciously, although his mother prohibited him from eating chocolate extremely. A girl is reading and writing voraciously because she will submit her book to library. Fast food is voraciously favorite meal of majority people. Synonyms of voracity: detestable, shocking, terrible, badly. Voracity. 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 Thank you.